Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come this site dell.com. After that click on support, then click on driver and download, then enter the model number, Alienware 14. After that click on search, then scroll down, wait few seconds to, then select the driver, then click on the category. After that you can see the driver, all audio, chipset, mouse, keypad, network, storage. So all driver you can see. So first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11. So Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If we are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver. Slow down, chipset driver, and click to download, and it will start downloading, and it is completed. Then single click to open. Then chipset driver downloaded. Just single click to open, then click to yes. Yes. Then click install. Then you can see the chipset driver, it is completed, and then click to OK.